Hey there, my wonderful beauties. It's your girl, Jet from Jay-Z Digital Creations. Today, I'm super excited to show you just how incredible AI avatars can be, especially when it comes to leveling up your YouTube videos, Instagram shorts, and all your social media content. Trust me, you're going to love this. The first step to creating your AI avatar is writing a detailed prompt. This is where you describe exactly what you want your avatar to look like. The more specific you are, the better the results. Here's how to craft a great prompt. Start with the basics. Describe the type of avatar, such as a human, robot, or an animal. Add details. Include features like hair color, clothing, accessories, or even the avatar's mood. Set the style. Specify if you want it realistic, cartoonish, futuristic, or abstract. Let's head over to ChatGPT. If you don't have an account, sign up. It's free to get started. So, once you are logged in, we're going to start by asking ChatGPT to help with creating a detailed avatar description. For example, type, "Help me create a detailed prompt for a man," or a woman AI avatar. I want him or her seated in a modern studio with a consistent, professional background, sitting at a podcast desk with a microphone close to his or her face. ChatGPT will generate a response for you. Feel free to customize this to match your vision. Once you're happy, move on to the next step to bring your avatar to life. For the second step, we're working on creating your AI avatar using PicLumen, which was used for generating my image. And for this tutorial, I'm doing the same. Alright, now, let's head over to PicLumen and start working on creating your avatar, and if needed, you can sign up for free using your email address. With the PicLumen free plan, you can change the image's aspect ratio and generate up to 2 images at a time, like I mentioned before. Now go back to ChatGPT, and once you're happy with the AI avatar prompt, copy and paste the description into PicLumen and press enter. And don't hesitate to ask ChatGPT to refine the description or tweak your prompt until it's to your liking. For the third step, we're going to use DeepSwapper, a face swap AI tool that allows you to swap faces in photos or videos. And again, this platform is free to use. Basically, you only have to upload an image of yourself and of the one that you want to swap faces with. Alright, now that you know how to create a free AI avatar and one of yourself through face swapping, check out my next video where I show you how to transfer your avatar into an animated character like myself in this video. Before I leave, please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel.